This is the Genius NOCO 1. Boom, 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 boom. This right here is the part that plugs into the wall. Super easy. You have the button right here that changes the mode, and you have the 1 for 1 amp right there. Super easy. This cord is not too long, but the coolest thing is, if you want to, you can extend it. But here's a quick disconnect right here. Nice solid disconnect that has a clip that reassures you only disconnect when you want to. Over here, this end has an inline fuse right there, and you got your alligator clips over here. Boom. Solid alligator clips. And the coolest thing about these alligator clips is, if you want to, you can use a little hex wrench and open up these, and you have ring terminals that you can attach directly to your battery. That way you can attach this to your car or motorcycle permanently, and you can always have a disconnect to connect to the NOCO battery charger and conditioner when you're back home, like that. Boom. Super easy, solid solution right here. And if you want to, they even make extender to extend this link right here. So there we go. Super easy 1 amp charger and maintainer for your car or your motorcycle or anything that's 12 volt or 6 volt. 1 amp charge and maintain right here from NOCO. Good stuff. The NOCO Genius 1. Boom.